It's the end of the month, and you find yourself crunching the numbers, trying to make ends meet. Bills, expenses, and unexpected surprises seem to pop up just when you think you've got it all figured out. Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. We've all been there, juggling the demands of daily life and wishing for a little extra cash to ease the financial stress. I know many of us are constantly looking for ways to boost our earnings and achieve financial growth, so I've put together some fantastic ideas to share with you today. Before we get into the specifics, let me just say that these ideas are not your typical run-of-the-mill suggestions. We're not talking about just any ways to make a few extra bucks. No. We're going to explore strategies that have the potential to significantly impact your financial situation and create long-term success. I know we all have different goals and aspirations when it comes to our income. Whatever your situation, I believe there's something for everyone in the ideas we're about to discuss. The fourth one is one that I was really surprised about and actually made me realize that it's important to leverage and take advantage of the changing times. Remember to watch till the end, as there is an exciting bonus side hustle idea that is making so many individuals millionaires and financially free now. So, let's jump right in. 1. Start a passive income e-commerce business. I don't mean e-commerce business where you deal with creating a product and shipping them. We are going to talk about the easiest way to build an e-commerce store that will be passive and doesn't require you to do much. Imagine waking up in the morning to notifications of new sales pouring into your inbox, all from products you created and put out into the digital world. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream can become a reality through the power of digital products. In this era of constant online connectivity and information exchange, people are actively seeking valuable resources and solutions in digital formats. And guess what? You can tap into this demand and turn your skills and knowledge into profit-generating digital products. Simply put, digital products are products that can be created once and sold repeatedly without the need for physical inventory or shipping logistics. By leveraging the incredible reach of e-commerce platforms, you can create and sell digital products, allowing you to earn income while you sleep, travel, or pursue your other passions. It's a game changer for those seeking to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and build a sustainable income stream. The most popular digital products in the market are ebooks or workbooks, Canva templates and printables, ebooks and guides. One popular type of digital product is an ebook or guide. Are you an expert in a particular field? Do you have a unique perspective or valuable insights to share? Consider creating an ebook or guide that dives deep into a specific topic and offers practical advice, step-by-step instructions, or valuable strategies. You can sell your ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Etsy, or your own website. Once it's created and uploaded, the sales process is automated, allowing you to earn passive income as customers purchase and download your digital product. Canva templates and printables. Canva templates can range from website templates, social media graphics, and resume templates, to PowerPoint presentations. If you have design skills or a good eye for aesthetics, you can create high-quality templates that save time and effort for others. Printables, on the other hand, are downloadable files that customers can print and use for various purposes. For instance, you can create printable planners, calendars, coloring pages, or party decorations. Platforms like Etsy or Creative Market offer a marketplace to sell your digital assets. As customers purchase and download your templates or printables, you earn passive income while they benefit from your professional designs. 2. Personal branding. In today's digital world, personal branding is a game changer, and establishing a strong personal brand can significantly enhance your earning potential. It's not just about what you know, it's about how you present yourself to the world. By establishing a strong online presence and positioning yourself as an expert in your field, you can attract clients, collaboration opportunities, and even lucrative sponsorships. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a professional, or a creative individual, having a compelling personal brand can open up lucrative opportunities. Consistency is key when it comes to personal branding. Consistently sharing valuable advice or content across platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, or Instagram helps you build an engaged audience and establishes you as a go-to authority. Stay active on your chosen platforms, engage with your audience, and position yourself as an expert in your field. For instance, if you're an accountant or working in a financial institution, you can create financial videos to share tips on how one can manage and use their finances on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. As your audience grows, you may decide to offer personalized coaching services through your website. This will attract more clients, collaboration opportunities, and even sponsorships, which can significantly increase your income as your income streams increased. Remember, authenticity is key. Share your knowledge, provide value, and engage with your audience to create meaningful connections. 3. Leverage your skills in the gig economy. The gig economy has taken the world by storm, providing countless opportunities for individuals to earn extra income. Thanks to online platforms, you can now leverage your skills and offer your services as a freelancer, consultant, or even a driver on ride-hailing apps. Take advantage of your unique talents and consider monetizing them through freelance work. For instance, if you have a knack for writing, you can offer your services as a freelance writer, creating content for blogs, websites, or even social media campaigns. If you're skilled in graphic design, you can create stunning visuals for clients worldwide. Whether it's designing logos, social media graphics, or even book covers, the demand for skilled designers is on the rise. Another lucrative avenue is programming or web development. With the increasing need for websites and web applications, freelancers with coding skills can earn a substantial income by taking on projects from businesses or individuals. The key benefit of the gig economy is the flexibility it offers. You have the freedom to work on your terms, choose your projects, and set your rates. Plus, you can work from the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the world. So, start exploring the vast opportunities the gig economy has to offer, and who knows, you might find your true passion and turn it into a full-time income stream. We are halfway through this video, and I hope you're finding these ideas valuable. The key takeaway here is that these ideas are not just theoretical concepts, they have proven to be effective in real-life scenarios. Remember, it's all about thinking outside the box and leveraging the opportunities available in today's content creation landscape. 4. Renting out your space or assets. This isn't about renting your space as an Airbnb, instead, it's about renting out your space as a content creation space. Content creation studios and content creation assets can be a lucrative way to generate income, especially with the rise of content creators and the need for unique filming locations and equipment. Let's delve into this idea further. If you have a dedicated space in your home or property that is suitable for content creation, such as a well-lit studio, an artistic backdrop, or a unique setting, you can rent it out to content creators looking for a professional and aesthetically pleasing environment to shoot their videos, photos, or podcasts. Content creators often require specific setups or backgrounds for their content, and having a versatile space available for rent can attract a wide range of clients. You can market your space through online platforms like Peerspace, Splacer, or even social media channels, showcasing the features and amenities of your content creation space. Before renting out your space as a content studio, consider the following. Pricing. Determine a competitive and fair rental rate based on factors like the size and features of your space, the location, and the demand in your area. Research similar spaces for rent in your region to get an idea of market rates. Amenities. Make your space attractive by providing amenities that content creators may need, such as professional lighting equipment, audio recording equipment, green screens, or props. Offering a well-equipped space can command a higher rental fee and attract more clients. Flexibility. Offer flexible rental options, such as hourly, half-day, or full-day rates, to accommodate different content creation needs. Some creators may require shorter sessions, while others may need an extended period for larger projects. Terms and agreements: establish clear terms and agreements with renters, including details about equipment usage, liability, insurance, and any additional services you may offer, such as setup assistance or technical support. Renting out your space as a content creation space can not only provide a steady income stream but also allow you to connect with content creators, build relationships, and potentially collaborate on future projects. In addition to renting out your space, you can also consider renting out content creation assets and equipment to content creators. Many creators may not have access to high-quality cameras, lenses, lighting equipment, or audio recording gear, but they require them to produce professional content. Before renting out your content equipment, consider the following. Equipment inventory: compile a list of the equipment you own that is in demand among content creators. This can include cameras, lenses, tripods, lighting kits, microphones, green screens, or any other gear commonly used in content production. Pricing structure: determine rental rates based on the value and condition of the equipment, as well as market rates. You can offer different rental packages, such as daily, weekly, or monthly rates, to accommodate varying project durations. Maintenance and insurance: ensure that your equipment is well maintained, regularly serviced, and in good working condition. Consider investing in insurance to protect your assets from damage or theft while they are in the possession of renters. Rental policies: establish clear rental policies, including deposit requirements, pickup and return procedures, and any usage restrictions or guidelines. Make sure renters understand their responsibilities in terms of equipment care and usage. By renting out your content creation assets, you not only generate additional income but also provide a valuable service to content creators who may not have the means to invest in expensive equipment upfront. 5. Develop and monetize your online content. If you enjoy creating content, there are various ways to monetize it. Starting a YouTube channel and earning revenue through advertising, sponsored content, or membership subscriptions is one of the best ways to monetize your content. YouTube has become a powerful platform for content creators to monetize their passion and expertise. Consider starting a YouTube channel focused on a topic you're passionate about, whether it's cooking, fashion, technology, or fitness. Create engaging and valuable videos that cater to your target audience. As your channel grows in popularity and gains subscribers, you can monetize your content through ads, brand partnerships, sponsored videos, and even merchandise sales. You can also launch a podcast and generate income through sponsorships or crowdfunding. Podcasts have experienced tremendous growth in recent years, presenting an opportunity for individuals to share their expertise and generate income. Identify a niche or topic that you're passionate about and start your own podcast. Create engaging and informative episodes, invite guests who can provide valuable insights, and build a loyal audience. Once your podcast gains traction, you can monetize it through sponsorships, advertisements, or even by offering premium content or exclusive membership options to your listeners. By monetizing your online content, you can turn your passion for creating into a profitable income source. If you have reached up to this point, then congratulate yourself for being open-minded to learning something each and every day, and for your reward, this bonus idea is for you. Monetizing your hobbies or talent. Who wouldn't love to make money doing something they genuinely enjoy? Have you ever thought about turning your hobbies and talents into a source of income? Well, now is the perfect time to do so. Monetizing your hobbies not only allows you to earn extra income but also enables you to indulge in activities you genuinely enjoy. This can be done by sharing your hobbies and talent through social media sites like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, as the platforms have monetization programs where they pay you for showing ads on your content. Sharing your daily activities, life lessons and hacks, hobbies, and side projects will enable you to connect with people like you who have the same interest as yours to relate to you and learn something from you, and at the same time an amazing way you can earn from it. Let's say you're passionate about baking. You could start a baking blog or YouTube channel where you share your delicious recipes and baking tips. As your audience grows, you can monetize your content through sponsorships, ads, or even selling your own baking-related products like recipe ebooks or custom baking tools. Or if you're skilled in crafting or DIY projects, platforms like Etsy can be a great avenue to sell your creations. From handmade jewelry and customized clothing to home decor items and artwork, there's a market for unique, handcrafted goods. The key is to identify your passion, find a way to monetize it, and create a marketing strategy to reach your target audience. The income generated from monetizing your hobbies can be a pleasant surprise and a testament to the power of doing what you love. So many people have earned six figures from YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram from sharing their hobbies, and through that landing sponsorship and paid partnership that pay them thousands of dollars to advertise their products and services. As we wrap up this video, I hope you found these ideas for increasing your income insightful and inspiring. I encourage you to reflect on these ideas and consider which ones resonate with you the most. As always, I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on these strategies? Do you have any other ideas to share? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below and continue the conversation, as I would love to hear from you and learn about your journey towards financial success. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on personal growth, financial tips, investing, and self-improvement. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and take those steps towards increasing your income. You've got this.